Okay, we are doing. Okay, I need to show camera also. Show image planes. Turn off camera. Okay, so I have imported this image and we are doing jump, which is a dynamic animation. Let me save this file. Okay. See, this is script editor. Did you heard this thunder? Okay. This is script editor. So what I'll do is I'm just checking these controllers, what and all controllers I'll be selecting. So what I'm doing here, I disable everything. I want only nerve scope, polygon, and image plane. So anyhow, I'll not be able to select the model. It's locked. I can select all the controllers. Okay. So what I'll do, first thing here, um, under edit, clear history, you're in script editor. If you forgot where it is, see this bottom right, this is a script editor. Now what I'll do, I select all this controller. When you do that, see all the controllers are selected here, all. Okay. Now what I'll do, I select all, control A, I select all with the middle mouse button. With middle mouse button, click the middle mouse button here, drag and drop here in this shelf. So it is asking, save this script to shelf as type. How do you want? Do you want to save this as Mel or Python? I want to save this as Mel, Maya embedded language. I click on Mel. You got this. Okay. Why I have selected this? Why? Because I do one post. Okay. I do one, I'm in frame number one. I do one post. Okay. Then I select the script. I press set key so that each frame, each interval, like when I do a set key, I select this Mel. I don't have to keep on selecting these controllers and do the set key. Okay. This is a technique. Got it? So now in frame number one, what I'll do, let's start working on doing poses. Okay, first he has to be in a neutral pose. So I make this guy to stand neutral, in neutral. Okay. Okay, now it's neutral. I'll be selecting this to here, to closer. I'm gonna rotate it like this. So I'm gonna just rotate it like this. Okay. So this thing somewhere here, and I select this. Okay, so just one pose. Okay, now looking at this, okay, let's say the character part is here. So now what I'll do, I click this one. So all the controllers are selected. I'm in frame number 1. Press S for set key. Now what I'll do, I'll come to frame 10. Each poses I'll have a 10 frames interval. Okay. So I want my character to go like this. So next what I'll do, I select this like this like this. I select this cog. So I make the character to sit towards a bit back, sit, and I select these front pole vectors. Okay, and I select this. Okay, then I select these curves individually like this, and I'm gonna rotate it. Okay, I think this is okay. Then I select these controllers. So I'm gonna rotate this a bit. From all the angle you have to see whenever you are doing any keys and all poses. And now remember, whenever you're doing poses here, don't change the frame. Otherwise what happens, it will go back to the previous key. So whatever effort you have put, it will go for toss. So I would like to bend this a bit more. Like this. Let me pick this and do some toe raise, not toe raise. Control. I think this is okay. Then head part. Okay, I select this, and in frame number 10, I press set key. So what happened? Okay, I think in this angle, when we bend, what happens is to move it like this, pole vector for the knee part. It's like this, and this one I have to rotate it something like this. So again, select this, set key. So now observe frame number 1, my character was like this. From 1 to 10, he is ready for this pose. See? Okay. Any doubts up to here?
No, sir.
So now I'll come to, so now 10th frame we have done, right? I'll come to frame number 20. So frame 20, what is that I have to do is, I'll be making toe raise and all to normal, and I select this one, I move it to the front a bit. These are the poletter of the hand part. This has to go here. So you need to see this poses from all the angle. Okay. Okay, now if I see this poletter, this has to be here. This has to be in the bottom. Okay, so we have done it up to here. Then this part or this part. So you should know these controllers and all that. Then so in frame 20, I do a set key for this. Let him rotate his head completely. Set key. Okay, so this is what we have done it up to here. Okay, so now what happens? This character, he goes like this. Okay, now if you observe, these things are, a lot of changes are happening. Those are in betweens. So every 10 frames I'm doing right. Let's say later at here, I have to do my correction. Okay, but okay, now this is how it is. Now I'll come to frame 30. In frame 30, I just want to be in this particular position. So what I do is I'll be selecting this cog, lift it a bit up, something like this, hit front, and I select this. Okay, just do these poses. So this is a purpose I said, to work on this poses part so that it will help you out. See, from all the angle, I want this pose to look good. Okay. I select this in frame, set key. Okay, so when I look at this, the body part, I think still movement is required. It's like this. So I'll go to 30. I think I want this movement. Okay. Then after this landing part, so I'll just go to 40. In the 40th part, what I have to do is I'll be selecting this, move bit front. I select these things, bit front, two down. Something like this. Like this. So from here, I'll be working data. These are clavicle part. I select this set key at 40. Select the set key. Okay, see. Then I'll come to 50. 50, I would like to do this. So each post takes some 10 minutes so that you can work on this. like this. So still, like we can work a lot. So now I'll just turn off this NURBS curve. We'll get to know. Frame, ready. So next class we'll be working on, adding in betweens. Adding in between means now every 10th frame we are adding main poses. In between we need to rectify a few things and we have to clean up. Okay. So I'll be sharing this image with you. So start working on it. Complete all these images. Complete all these poses. Next neutral pose also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just concentrate on poses. It is doable. It's not that complicated.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Bye. Have a good day.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.